Yeah, I mean, offensively, the guy who's probably gotten the most attention, if you're not talking about the Josh Simmons of the world and the focus on there. I mean, everybody seems to be most interested in Tyquan Thornton on the offensive side of the football. You're really talking about who's grinding out, trying to fight out for those last few roster spots. And Tyquan Thornton, outside the top 5 receivers, I mean, he's right now leading the packs. I think right now it's pretty confident that Tyquan Thornton is making this 53, but the preseason games will go a lot into determining that.